I gotta zoom out first. Hold up. There we go. Okay, guys. Well, I don't know if you heard me whisper that in the beginning, but I was trying to record my bird singing, and if he hears me, he won't sing. Or if I go in there with the camera, he won't sing. But when he listens to me talk, he'll sing because you can hear him again. Check it out, guys. And since I know you guys liked the video where I was talking to him because he's cute, I thought you might want to hear him sing since I told you that I did. So that's my bird singing to other birdies outside on Easter Sunday because it's spring now and he will sing a lot. And sometimes I'll like it, sometimes it'll annoy me, but I love him to death. Bye, guys!